Hello and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. My name is Orchi, aka Rocky, and today I'm going to talk about the difference between belting and mixed voice. So, let's do this. One of the easiest explanation for belting I like to use is either the extension of the chest voice or a very loud, powerful way of singing, but it's not shouting. When I hear this, when people call belting shouting, I want to just scream. Seriously, because it's not. Shouting has nothing to do with belting, because anybody can shout. If you don't want to lose your voice, you need to know how to do that correctly. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, power has nothing to do with volume, power has nothing to do with physical effort, and just like belting. So just imagine belting as a very loud, powerful way of singing. It's perfect for rock and metal. Mixed voice is perfect for pop music, R&B, jazz, even Motown. That's very, very good for that. But based on my opinion, that's only my opinion, I think mixed voice is not strong enough for rock. So it basically depends on the style. If you want to sing rock and metal, choose belting. If you want to sing pop, choose mixed voice. It's easy and simple. So that's very, very nice. Also, I have another explanation, but I have to put the number 18 on the corner. When someone asked me like what's the difference between belting and mixed voice, I said, well, you can think about like the difference between having sex or making love. Obviously having sex is belting, making love is mixed voice. So it might give you some ideas what's the difference between that. But both are very, very nice. Obviously they have their own style and joyful moments, but different. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn how to sing the way you desire, then please click on the link below and watch my free masterclass. Or if you're interested in taking lessons, then go to my website to book straight away. So either way, see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.